What are the benefits of actually joining SI? When you join SI, you're joining a club, all right? And this club is going to support you so you can actually go home and change your practice and your lives. So what are some things that all you doctors are looking for? Well, okay, getting an implant. What kind of implant do I need to do? Where do I get the bone? Implants are so expensive. Then I get the training. Dude, we're going to make it really freaking simple for you very quick. When you come through our program 1 through 4 and you're coming in, we're here to support you. So there's a couple of things. We're going to give you the training, right? And that just rocks. You're going to love it. You're also going to have access, since you're part of a club, to our school's private implants. Our implants run around 6 years. They are absolutely incredible. But here's the cool part. You're going to get our implants for DSO pricing. The money you save by using the school implants supports the school. No games, no bullshit, no nothing. It saves you thousands of dollars. And anybody looking at this knows the DSO game. If you go to Neodent or you go to Nobel or one of these companies, and if you're a large enough practice, you can get a massive discount if you buy in bulk. Woohoo! You guys know who watching this, you know what I'm talking about. Not here. You buy a singly, doubly, it doesn't matter. All of our students get a private system that you can go home with and order. If you're an SI student, you can buy our system. If you're not an SI student, it's not an open implant system. Our implant system is also photogrammetry compatible. We have all the tools for digital workflow, 100%. So you're gonna save a ton on the implants. The other thing you're gonna have is the bone. You know, grafting companies charge you a ton for bone. So you're pulling a tooth, you wanna graft it, you're paying $117 for a little cartridge. Yeah, you're gonna get our bone for DSO pricing as well. Okay, if you wanna call it that. So you're gonna save on the training, implants, and the bone all in one package, and you're gonna have a support at our school long-term so you can actually get home and 10x your practice and actually start doing dentistry, and you will have an edge, I promise you, on every single person around your area.
Perfect.
What do you think?